you can investigate it. That the honorable minister went and demolished that place because of his selfish interest. 30 billion naira is what that place is going for now. If you have 30 billion naira, you go and acquire it. But we are telling Ratcom that they cannot sell that place because that place is now sub judice. It's now a subject of litigation. They can't go in that place and sell it. And whoever that is buying from Ratcom of that property is wasting his money. Because anything done within the dependency of a matter, that thing goes to naught. And we are calling on Nigerians, if they bring that property to you to buy, don't buy. Because they are looking for who to put into trouble. That is their intention, looking for who to put into trouble in that land. That land is not for sale. That land is a subject of litigation in court as we speak today. And we are saying we have documents, we have payments made in respect of that land. The documents are here. We will make them available to the gentlemen of the press. Finally, why? I want the gentlemen of the press to also find out why within the short period of Wike's being a minister in the FCT, 4 directors in the land department have resigned. Or he has changed 4 directors since he came in. Because if you do not want to play or do his bidding, he will remove you. 4 directors in land department. All within a space of 1 year. Changed because of Wike's selfish interest. And we are calling on President Bola Tinubu to immediately remove Nyesom Wike. He's causing trouble in FCTA. He's causing trouble. He's killing people in that Sabon Lugbe. People have died. People are suffering. People rendered homeless because of one man's wickedness. We are calling on Mr. President to immediately remove remove Nyesom Wike. He's a wicked man. His wickedness knows no bounds.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. That was Barrister Kalu, who is the lawyer to the Home Builders Association of Nigeria, that have accused the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, of unlawfully demolishing their properties at Sabon Lugbe in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. You can see that the lawyer and of course the people whose properties were demolished were not happy with what happened to them. Of course, who will be happy? After investing several billions of naira in a property and within a twinkling of an eye, despite the matter being in court, as the lawyer said, due process was not allegedly followed. The properties were turned to rubbles. Who will be happy? The lawyer, you heard from his voice, is mad about it. He's expressing the feelings of the owners of those buildings that were demolished in this time, under this Tinubu's economy. For somebody to be faced with this kind of challenge, that's why many of them are in the hospital. Some are dead because of the trauma. Many of them are wondering, where are they going to start? Where is the starting point? But the lawyer also made a very interesting position, warning those who want to go and buy the property or those who have already acquired it that they are buying problem. that the matter is in court and that they will continue to fight for it. They have expressed confidence in the judiciary. He has expressed confidence in the judiciary that they will get justice. Well, I doubt that unless there is an intervention. The most important thing I can gaze from what he said was the call for Tinubu, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to intervene in the matter. He even went as far as telling Tinubu to sack the minister. That is not likely to work given the relationship between the minister and the president right now. But what they are seeking, in my own interpretation, is they want the president to intervene in the matter. But even when the president intervenes in the matter, houses have already been demolished. Are they going to be given money to start building it or what? It's a very dicey situation, a very sad situation. And this is a message we are sending to the international community that Nigeria is not a country that obeys rule of law. That the rule of law means nothing in Nigeria. And yet you want foreign investors to come and invest in your country. When the local investors cannot get justice, and you think that a foreign investor will bring his billions of dollars to come and put in such an environment, that's why nobody is coming. No credible investor is coming to Nigeria to come and invest. All those who are coming are merely portfolio investors, crooked investors that are just coming to rip off Nigeria with their collaborators in the Nigerian system. In any case, Nigeria has about 28 million housing deficit. Nigeria is a nation facing 28 million housing deficit. Even the Abuja, where this matter is an issue, Abuja is having housing crisis. People pay through their nose to be able to get accommodation in Abuja. You can therefore imagine that already developed estates in a country with 28 million housing deficit, and the government itself has not built anything. The one that individuals managed to provide for themselves through the banks and elsewhere, the private sector driven ones, the government is demolishing them under all kinds of excuses. Now look at this Sabon Lugbe that is the subject of discussion. Look at this Sabon Lugbe. The owners of the property say they have all the papers. They are not illegal. They are not illegal acquisition. They did all the things that they were told to do by the Federal Capital Development Authority. They have all the papers, all the documentations. The lawyer, you heard him there saying that they will make the documents available to the media. They have all their papers, yet their properties were demolished. Now, I understand that they say there's a new development plan for that estate, for that land space. Now, if you have a new development plan, why don't you tell those people that are already occupying that place to ensure that they now adhere to the new development plan? Why do you need to demolish it and allegedly give the same land to another set of people? That is the issue at stake. If you say that there is a new development plan, or that the development plan that they had before was an illegal development plan, and the structures are already there, why don't you tell them to incorporate their building into a new development plan that you have made, assuming without considering that that is the main issue. Look at the land size of Abuja. Abuja has land, plenty land mass. Must you demolish the already built ones for you to be able to get land to do whatever you want to do? A lot of empty lands in Abuja. Even the places that are developed, you can continue to expand. Why do you need to demolish already developed areas and reallocate it again to a new set of people? And then make a huge population of your people homeless overnight. We know all this idea of Abuja master plan, building in line with the Abuja master plan. These people built, according to what I understand from it, the whole thing, they built according to the master plan. They said they did everything that development control tell them to do. Everything. So how can you demolish it because of a new development plan? Who are the people that allocated it to them? Having already built that kind of structure that is allegedly worth over 200 billion, why don't you open up other places for those who want land so that they can be able to get new place where there will be no dispute? There are some things that concerns me about how they do these things, and I think it concerns most ordinary Nigerians. The way they go about treating people without concern, without feeling, as if people are not human beings. You demolish, now you are reallocating the same place to another set of human beings. Perhaps those are much more regarded than those you demolish their properties. What should be done is a situation where you incorporate the alleged violators into the new development plan. That is what I think could have been done. Now that that is not done, and their properties have been demolished, how do they go about, even if President Bola Ahmed Tinubu intervene now, they need to go to bank and borrow money. At what interest rate to be able to set up new structures? Except if there's any other means they can't be able to raise the money. Who will pay the price for the properties for over 100 houses that have been demolished? Who will give the money for it to start, for them to rebuild? But I think from the frustration in the voice of the lawyer, if they can allow them, Nigerians can always rebuild. But it's really sad what happens in this our country. Those who are in charge have no regard for Nigerians. And the reason why they do this with impunity is because our votes don't count. If they know that our vote counts, they will not act with so much impunity. They know that in any case, they will rig the election, they will get away with it, and nothing will happen. If they were in a nation where there is true democracy, if you demolish, even when there is a court order for you not to demolish, you will know there will be consequences. But you understand that INEC is a sellout, the judiciary is a sellout. So basically, you don't need the people, so you can treat them like garbage. That's why everybody must keen to say 2027, enough is enough. That is the only way. Until Nigerians respond in the language that the oppressors understand, they will continue to do things like this, and we'll be getting away with it. Because ordinarily you say, okay, the vote, you use your vote to teach them a lesson. But the vote don't count. And because they know the vote don't count, they can afford to treat anybody like garbage. That's the sad situation we are facing in Nigeria. And I don't know what you think about it, about this development of this rampant violation of due process and demolition of houses, especially well-built houses that initially had authorization from the appropriate authority, yet at the end of the day is now being turned to be an illegal property. What do you think is the solution? Is it that to demolish it, or to tell the people that owns it, now we have a new plan, continue to be there, but this is the kind of thing we want you to, we are turning in this place around, you will continue to occupy the place, but this is what we want. Or demolishing it and abandoning the people and then bringing a new set of people to come and occupy the place, and you give them a new CFO. What do you think is the solution to this problem? It is a persistent problem in Nigeria. We see it in Lagos, we see it in Abuja, we see it in several other places. What is the solution? To me, the solution is, if you have a new plan, do it with the people so that there will be no conflict. But for what they are doing now with impunity, treating people like garbage, it is for all of us to work together to ensure that we take over the INEC, take over the judiciary, so that these institutions will be working for the people. That is when they will stop treating us like garbage. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.